Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing grates and knobs and laying them on a towel. This clears your workspace and prevents drips. Once done, mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap and dampen a microfiber cloth. Wipe the surface to lift fresh grease. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle to dislodge stuck food. Do not use metal. Make sure to work in small sections so the soap can emulsify oils, making the next steps faster and less abrasive. Now you go after baked-on residue with a baking soda paste. Spread a thin layer over stains, then spray white vinegar to create a controlled fizz that lifts grime. Let the reaction work for 2 to 5 minutes. This breaks bonds without harsh chemicals. Use a soft nylon pad and short, circular motions. Pressing too hard can scratch. Once the paste loosens soil, switch to a damp microfiber to wipe away the slurry, rinsing the cloth frequently so you're not redistributing grit. You finish by rinsing the entire top with clean water and drying thoroughly with a microfiber. This prevents water spots and mineral streaks. Next, apply a small amount of stainless cleaner or a few drops of olive oil and buff in the direction of the grain to restore shine. If you find stubborn discoloration or heat tint, use a commercial stainless formula sparingly or refer to your stove manual for approved cleaners. If scratching or etching appears, stop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.